शुरू करिए. Good morning, all students of class 9. Today we are going to teach you a lesson from supplementary book of your class. Name of the chapter is A Tonga, A Adventure of Toto. The Adventure of Toto is a natural story. It is related with a habit of a pet. He is mischievous animal. He vexed other animals in grandfather private zoo. Now we are going to teach you the lesson, the adventure of Toto. Grandfather bought Toto from a Tonga driver for the sum of 5 rupees. Do you know meaning of bought? This is past tense of buy. The Tonga driver used to keep the little Tonga driver used to keep the little red monkey tied to a feeding trough, and the monkey looked so out of the place there that grandfather decided he would add the little fellow to his private zoo. Grandfather has already a private zoo. There were so many pets were kept there. Toto was a pretty monkey. He was a beautiful monkey. His bright eyes, his physical appearance was his bright eyes sparkled, means glowed with mischief beneath deep set eyebrow, and his teeth, which were a pearly white. Toto was a pretty monkey. Its bright eyes sparkled with mischief beneath deep set eyebrows, and the eyebrow was set, and his teeth, which were a pearly white. It was like a stone, like pearl, were very often displayed in a smile that frightened the life out of the elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. The Toto was compared here like an Anglo-Indian lady. Now I ask you, what was the price of Toto? Can you say anyone? If not possible, the price of Toto was Rs 5 only, and it was taken from a Tonga driver. But his hands looked dried up as though they had been pickled in the sun of many years. Yet his fingers were quick and wicked, and his tail, while adding to his good looks, tail would add to anyone's good, also serve as a third hand. There were two hands, and a long tail was used as a hand of Toto. He could use it to hang from a branch, and it was capable of scooping up and delicacy that might be out of reach of his hand. And Toto was very scooping means lifting. He can lift anything. Now, do you know meaning of scooping? Scooping means the lifting to rise of anything. Grandmother always first when grandfather brought home some new bird or animal. Habitually, grandfather, if bought anything, any animal, he kept in his private zoo. So grandmother was fussing always about these things. So it was decided, means take decision that Toto presents should be kept a secret from her until she was in a particularly good mood. Grandfather and I put him away. I mean, sir, writer who has written this story in little closest opening into my bedroom wall where he was tied securely also thought to a peg fastened into the wall. When he became mischievous, grandfather tied him to near the wall. Now I wanted to write some meaning from this story which I have selected for you. Write down the first meaning. The first word is Tonga. What is Tonga? It is a type of horse cart. Tonga means a horse cart. Pig. Pig means a hook. Third meaning, naked, uncovered. Naked means uncovered, scooping, lifting, anything lift. Abode, abode means home, or shreds cut into thin slice. We have, I think, you have written these 5 or 6 meaning in your copy, and it will be useful for you to understand this lesson. Now I am going to new paragraph. A few a few hours later. Later means anyone can say after. When grandfather and I come back to release. Release means left. Toto, we found that the walls which had been covered with some ornamental paper chosen by grandfather. Grandfather decorated the wall of his house by ornamental paper now stood out as a naked brick and plastered. The peg in the wall had been wrenched from its socket, and my school blazer, my means writer's school blazer, which had been hanging there, was in shreds. I wanted what grandmother would say, but grandfather did not worry. Worry means sad. Now I expect you also read some lines that I want to test your ability that you can't read or not. Read some lines. Now I am watching what is progress in reading by students. Oh, are you in good mood to understand the lesson? And we have to study what I am telling and write down in copy for further use. But I think that all students are able to read any topics. Now I am starting further about this lesson. Is a clever, say grandfather. Given time, I am sure he could have tied the torn pieces of your blazer. The Toto torn the blazer of the writer into a rope and made his escape from the window. Escape means went away, run away. His presence in the house still is sacred. Toto was now transferred to a big cage in the servants' quarter where a number of grandfathered pets lived very sociably. Sociably means to live in good relation among all animals in grandfather's private zoo. Now the place of Toto was transferred. It was kept in big cage of servants' quarter where a number of pets were kept, lived very sociable together. The animals who kept in the private zoo of grandfathers private zoo, a tortoise, a pair of rabbit, two pair of rabbit, a tame a squirrel, and for a while my pet goat. Goat was also kept in the grandfather's zoo, but the monkey would not allow any of his companion means you can say meaning of companion friends colleague of it may be man's colleague or animal's calling they are called companions to sleep at night so grandfather who had to leave Dehradun next day to collect his pension in Saharanpur decided to take him along. Next day, Dadaji will go Dehradun to collect to take his pension in Saharanpur. Due to behalf of the Toto, he was became upset. Dadaji became upset, so he took decision to take him with him. Unfortunately, means unluckily, I could not accompany with him grandfather on the trip, but he told me about it afterwards. A big black canvas kit bag, his new abode. There was a big kit bag in his room, and the Toto keep on them. When the bag was closed, there was no escape. Toto could not get his hands through the opening, and the canvas was too strong for him to bite his way through. His efforts try, to get out only had the impact of making the bag roll about on the floor and occasionally jump into the air. An exhibition that attracted a curious crowd of onlookers on the Dehradun railway platform. People who were coming and going on Dehradun railway platform, they were attractive, they were seeing the Toto. Now, where I ask question you, write down answer, some short, very short. Who went to Dehradun? Second question, why grandfather went to Dehradun? Who was with him? Write down this answer and demonstrate me. Write down. Now we are taking relaxation about 20 minutes. I have taught you and I have asked so many oral and written questions that you have. This is your duty to write and memorize these answers correctly and demonstrated me, and I shall give remark and some improvement in your writing skill. Now, Toto remained in the bag as far as Saharanpur, but while grandfather was producing his ticket, at the railway station, grandfather was producing to the ticket collector at the Saharanpur station. At the railway turnstile, Toto suddenly poked his head out of the bag and gave the ticket collector a wide grin. He came out from the bag and gave a grin to ticket collector. The poor man was taken aback, but with great presence of mind means common sense. He said at that time, what you have used your mind, and much to grandfather's annoyance, he said, Sir, you have a dog with you. Grand ticket collector asked grandfather, you have also a pet, and he did not understood that it is a toto, a monkey is not, and he understood it is a dog. You will have to pay for it accordingly. You have also buy the ticket for the pet. In vain did grandfather take Toto of the bag. In vain did he try to prove that a monkey did not qualify as a dog. He took Toto from his bag and said, This is, sir, not a dog. This is a monkey. His name is Toto. Or even as quadruped means, do you know when you write about about animal essay that you write four-footed, that is called quadruped animal. Toto was classified a dog by the ticket collector, and Toto was treated as a dog in the mind of ticket collector. Did you have see ticket collector in railway platform? And the 3 rupees was the sum handed over as his fare. Grandfather provided him 3 rupees as a fare of Toto. Then grandfather, just to get his own bag, took from his pocket or put or twice and said, "What must I pay for his since you charge for all animals?" And just the grandfather demonstrated a tortoise to the ticket collector. "I have paid fare for this. You charge for all animals." The ticket collector looked closely, went near tortoise, prodded it with his forefinger. He pressed the back of the tortoise, gave grandfather a pleasant, triumphant look, and said, "No longer it is not a dog." Now, what animals did grandfather produce to ticket collector? Tortoise was produced there. You can take care of this animal. When Toto was finally accepted by grandmother, he was given a comfortable luxury home in the stable where pet was kept, where he had for a companion the family donkey Nana. Do you know who was Nana? Nana was a family member. It was a donkey. On Toto's first night in the stable, grandfather paid him a visit to see if was comfortable. To his surprise, he found Nana without apparent cause pulling at her halter and trying to keep her head as far as possible from a bundle of hay. Do you know a food stuff of animal that is straw or hay? Grandfather gave Nana a slap across her haunches and she jerked back, dragging to draw Toto with her. He had fastened onto her long ears with his sharp little teeth. Now read this paragraph. All students will read 2 or 3 lines gradually. Do you know meaning of pulling? Pulling means drawing. Possible, meaning of possible. Probability, What is opposite of accept? ACCEPTED, accepted. You can say opposite meaning of accepted. This is a part and parcel of grammar. We have to also take attention such type of word. Accepted means rejected. I think all students deliver, give at a glance of two or three lines. Now I am going to teach you further para. You have to take a send attention and listen carefully. This story is full of amusement, entertainment, and a focus was thrown on behalf of a pet animal, a toto. A great tit for Toto during cold winter evening was the large ball of warm, warm likely to hot. It is comfortable warm water given him by grandmother for his bath, and he would cunning. Cunning means sly, cunning like jackal. Test the temperature with his hand, then gradually step into the bath. He touched the temperature with his hand. After that, he stepped bath first one of foot, then he other, as he had seen me doing until he was he was into water up to neck. Once comfortable, he would take the soap in the hands or feet. He used soap and rub himself all over like human being. When the water became cool, he would get out and run as quickly as he could to the kitchen. He felt that water was hot. He came out and ran quickly to the kitchen in order to dry himself. If anyone laughed at him during this performance means work, Toto's feeling would be hurt, damaged, and he would rejected to go on with his bath. One day Toto nearly succeeded in boiling himself alive. One day he was boiling in water. A large kitchen kettle had been left on the fire to boil. There was a kitchen on the fire for tea. Remove the lid cover, finding the water just warm enough for a bath. He got in. He went into the kettle in vain, with his head sticking out from the open kettle. This was just fine for a while, means for a few time. until, and do you know which part of speech is until? This is conjunction. Water began to boil. Toto then raised himself a little, but finding it cold outside, down again. He continued hopping up and down. He was bouncing up and down until grandmother arrived and hauled him half boiled out of the kettle. And when grandmother came there, you are half boiled. There is a part of the brain especially devoted to mischief, naughty. That part was largely developed in Toto. He was always tearing things to pieces. Whenever one of my aunts came near him, he made every effort to get hold of her dress and tear a hole in it. When my aunts came one day, he tore her dresses. One day at lunchtime, a large dish of pulao stood in the center of the dining table. He took and went on the tree. He entered the room to find Toto stuffing himself with rice. My grandfather screamed and Toto threw a plate at her. He went on the tree and throw eat all things and throw the plate on her. One of my aunts rushed forward, went forward, and received a glass of water in the face. When grandfather arrived, Toto picked up the dish of plough and made his exit through a window and went through window. We found him in the branches of the jackfruit. There was a jackfruit near the home, and he went on the tree. The dish still in the arms. He kept a dish of plough in his arm, in his hand. He remained there all afternoon, eating slowly through the rice, determined on finishing every grain. He ate all plough, and then it ordered to spite grandmother who had screamed at him. He threw the dish down from the tree and chattered. He produced his sound with delight, means happy. When it broke into 100 pieces, he broke the dishes into 100 pieces. Obviously, Toto was the sort of means a type of pet who could keep for long. Even grandfather realized, means felt, that we were not well to do and could not afford the frequent, means always loss of dishes, clothes, curtain. He was destroying these things. Likely which thing they were destroying? You can say that those things are dishes, cloth, curtain and wallpaper. So grandfather found the Tonga driver and sold Toto back to him for only 3 rupees. And Tonga driver took the Toto from grandfather in RS 3 only. Now I want to ask some question and the lesson finished. Question number 1. How does Toto come to grandfather's private view? Second question, Toto was pretty monkey. In what sense is Toto pretty? Next question, why does grandfather take Toto to Saharanpur and how why does the ticket collector insist on calling Toto a dog? How does Toto take a bath? Where has the learned to this? How does Toto almost boil himself alive? Next question, why does the author say Toto was not the sort of a pet we could keep for long? Now you will write if you have a pet and write is your pet mischievous? Write about your pet and the meaning should be memorized by you. This is end of the story today. Thank you all of you.